Home projectors are booming, and Lumiverse Projector has been popping up everywhere with claims of big, bright images, smart features, and an immersive experience for movies, games, and more. But the key question is it actually worth your money? Let's find out. So the Lumiverse is an LED home projector advertised for home theaters, ambient entertainment, and even portable use. It touts features like large screen projection at 100 inches, built-in speakers, wireless connectivity, and plug-and-play simplicity. Some versions also include Android Smart TV functionality or Bluetooth support. That sounds promising, but real-world performance matters more than specs on a box. Here's what you should know. Lumiverse can fill a big wall with crisp image, perfect for movies or casual gaming if you're in a dark or dim room. At larger sizes though, sharpness and detail naturally drop. The LED bulb is solid in low light conditions, but if you try using it with ambient daylight or bright lights on, the picture washes out quickly. That's typical for LED projectors at this price point, but worth noting if you want daytime viewing. Colors look vibrant at moderate sizes, and contrast is fine for everyday use. Just don't expect cinema-grade punch like ultra-high-end projectors. Overall, it's very good for casual entertainment, but not a true cinematic replacement for dedicated theaters or high-end laser projectors. So is the Lumiverse projector worth it? Yes, if you want an affordable, easy-to-use projector for movies, gaming, or casual viewing in a darker space. But maybe not if you're chasing true home theater performance or bright daytime pictures. The bottom line, it's a solid all-around home projector for most people. Great value if you set realistic expectations about brightness and audio. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.